21 skills that will pay you forever. Ability to sell and negotiate. Ability to convey what you think and feel. Ability to break a process down into smaller pieces. Ability to shut up, listen and learn from others. Ability to adapt, improvise and overcome obstacles. Ability to read, understand and memorize. Ability to walk away. Ability to manage time effectively. Ability to stay positive and optimistic. Ability to make decisions based on facts, not based on emotions. Ability to speak in front of large audience. Ability to keep trying even after failure. Ability to invest money on own. Ability to do things irrespective of situation. Ability to self-analysis. Ability to learn how to learn. Ability to understand what others feel. Ability to remain consistent. Ability to master your thoughts. Ability to write words to persuade and influence others. Ability to ask for help. Thank you for watching.